first. And I'm not sure when I play my heart, because sometimes I see that the place that I am and I change my mind. So I am going to apply and tie the nails, but you don't need really thick. You can do it and like blend it out. You don't want to be too little. You don't want to be too much, because it's gonna over float your crystal. And then I'm gonna using a no wipe top coat right in the top. Hey Teresa, hey Lori. Oh, Lori, thanks so much. I'm so glad you tuning in, and I'm so glad you enjoying it. And make sure you are participate and name that set as well, so then you can get chance to win the giveaway. We've been doing it, have so much fun, and then few of you are already get some winning twice. So it doesn't matter how many times you win, unless you get the set name. Is really cool. It's something unique. We saw a lot of sets will for past like few weeks now when we're doing it. It's such a great. Thank you so much for tuning in and really enjoying it. If you can't tuning in, you can absolutely re-watching them from our IGTV and our Facebook as well, and you still get chance to win the giveaway.
So now by Daisy. So if you queue 30 seconds and it won't stick, just feel free to give a little bit extra time, because it's also very much depend on your lamp, because we do have problem when somebody lamp's not just like, sometimes you have to use it for a long time and the lamp is not as strong anymore. So feel free to give it some extra time. You can give up to 60 or 90 seconds, because one thing for this thing, you will not overcure it.
Thank you. Yes, Daisy, just if you feel like that, just give it key a little bit longer for the lamp. My lamp was last 2 weeks. If you're watching one of my tutorials, it did acting up on me, so I got to get a new one. It works better, work perfect now. So I just add some crystal down here, and just like drop charm. All right, so if you're happy with this, we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. First, I'm gonna flash key it, so then that way, you doing the clients, make sure if they want to design the thumb, you do a thumb first, or you can do 4 nail first and a thumb, because if you want to do a thumb, sometime if the clients lay on the LED line, they might ship your crystal because they couldn't hold it straight. So if you want to do the thumb, you want to make sure you ask clients to hold it straight for you, because if they put it like this, your crystal might ship off from where the spot that you want is to be. So even like a flash cure quick, you have it secure your crystal right there. So I'm gonna move into the next one, this one right there. Maybe zoom it a little bit so then it better. Can you view it better? It looks dark on Instagram, or it's just me, or Facebook too. No, Facebook it looks like it dark though, but I could be wrong. Oh, okay, looks better now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and using condensed glue gel. And nothing like this nails. I'm gonna do one at a time. How about that? So then that way we won't be too confused. So you saw how I do my nails though. I either do it like that, or I can't hold it like this. But doing like this is better, because then all the crystals in the charm will stay in the same. It's not shipping anywhere. You see me doing stroke back and forth because I want to make sure the condensed glue gel is blending nicely, because you don't need a whole lot. I am gonna do a no wipe top coat, but then also you want to make sure you're blending it, so then that way it won't holding your charms and your crystals nicely. I didn't want to do too much. It's so excited. Today is totally different. I love the cute set. So I'm still debating like perfume here or this one. I like that a lot though. I really want a perfume on it, but it might take away from I'm gonna add just some Scarlet crystal on. Hello. Hi Shaina, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hello Instagram, hi Facebook. Thank you so much. Hey Michelle. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thank you Facebook, thank you Instagram. Hope you are enjoying it. If you don't see me like during the daytime, it means I'll be in the nighttime. I will never miss it unless I'm be out of town. If you're busy, you couldn't watch it, I'm still here, and then you can absolutely watch it later. So hope this will be good footage for all of you who really loves having something is news every day, and then something to help support you with the business. I don't know, I was like doing a little bit on the diagnose here, but if you want more, I can add one more. I think it looks good. It doesn't matter, you can add more on it. Add crystal. You can do right in the cuticles, like right halos in the center, or you can do off on the side, however you prefer. It's just kind of a little bit funky and like this design, so I like it different look. All right, so I'm gonna flash cure this one quick for 10 seconds, because I'm gonna do full cures once we are done with all of them, so then we can move with the designs really good and fast. So happy with this. We are going to, let's see, I might be able to add a couple more right there. Right there. Okay, cool. All right, flash cure.